EasyPianoOnline. Hi everyone, today we will learn Musetta's Waltz by Puccini. In this first video we will learn the first part, and the second part is on the website, so please check it out. We will begin learning the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with fifth finger on C. Then it plays E with first, second on G, fifth is on C, fourth is on B, first finger plays E, third is on G, fifth is on B, fourth is on A. Repeat the A with third finger, fourth is on B, fifth is on C, fourth is on B, third is on A, fifth is on C, first finger plays F, and again F. Second finger plays G, third is on A, fourth is on B, third is on A, second is on G, fourth is on B, first plays E, and E again. Repeat the E with first, second is on G. We will stop here and look at the left hand. Left hand plays C, E, and G, fingers 5, 3, and 1. Fourth finger plays G, first finger plays C. Now we have E and G, fingers 4 and 2. Fourth finger plays G, first finger plays C. Third finger plays F, first is on C, fourth is on E, and together D, F, and A, fingers 5, 3, and 1. Fifth finger plays D, first is on A, fifth is on D, third is on F, together G and B, fingers 2 and 1. Fifth finger plays C, second is on G, first finger plays A, third finger plays G, fifth finger plays E, third is on G, second is on A, and first is on C. We will now combine hands together. Left hand begins with fingers 5, 3, and 1 playing C, E, and G. Right hand plays C with fifth finger. Left hand plays G with fourth. First is on C. Right hand continues with first on E. Second is on G. Fifth is on C. Now together, left hand 4 and 2 notes E and G, together with right hand playing B. Left hand fourth is on G. First is on C. Right hand first is on E. Third is on G. Fifth is on B. Together, left hand third is on F, right hand fourth is on A. Left hand first is on C, fourth is on E. Together, D, F, A, fingers 5, 3, and 1. Right hand third is on A, fourth is on B, fifth is on C, fourth is on B, third is on A. Together, left hand plays D with fifth and right hand C with fifth. Right hand first is on F. Together, left hand first on A, right hand first on F. Left hand fifth on D. Third is on F. Together, G and B, fingers 2 and 1. Right hand second plays G. Third is on A. Fourth is on B. Third is on A, second is on G, together left hand fifth on C, right hand fourth on B. First finger plays E, together left hand G, right hand E. Left hand first on A, third is on G. Left hand plays E with fifth, third is on G, second is on A, first is on C, and right hand continues with first on E, second is on G. This is it for the first part. Please see the website for part 2 and enjoy practicing.